Book My Vaccine is the new online booking system that makes it really easy for you and your whānau to book your COVID-19 vaccinations. This is available in English, Te Reo Māori, and a number of other languages. Before you book, if you know your NHI number, it's a good idea to keep it handy as it will make your vaccination process quicker. When you use bookmyvaccine.nz, start by choosing where you want to get vaccinated. This could be close to your home, where you work, or anywhere else you're likely to be. Pick the most convenient vaccination centre for you. Then choose the date and time. You'll need to book 2 appointments as you'll get the best protection against COVID-19 after 2 doses. Your appointments will need to be 6 weeks or more apart. Don't worry, we'll do the maths for you. You'll then be asked for a few personal details and how you'd prefer to be contacted. And that's it. Your unique booking reference and a summary of the information you've provided will also be sent to you by email or text. Make a note of the unique booking reference in case you need to change an appointment. The day before each appointment, you'll be sent a text or email reminder. You can change it at bookmyvaccine.nz or call 0800 28 29 26 and we'll change it for you. Whānau can book for everyone in their household at the same time, so you can all be vaccinated together. To arrange vaccination appointments for more than one person, call 0800 28 29 26. Thanks for doing your bit to protect yourself and your whānau. The stronger our immunity, the greater our possibilities.